Fresh lawsuits target Prudential, plus Charles Schwab and Subsidiary TD Ameritrade financial services firms affected by the mass attack on MOVEit file-sharing software are among the latest to face lawsuits from affected individuals. One such lawsuit, filed against Prudential, wants the firm to pay for 10 years of identity theft monitoring service instead of the usual 2, since stolen social security numbers cannot be replaced. See also, live webinar, Unmasking Pegasus. Understand the threat and strengthen your digital defense so far. 998 organizations are known to have fallen victim to the MOVEit attacks, based on public data breach notifications and victims listed by Clop on its data leak site, security firm Emsisoft reported. Clop's attacks have affected at least 49 million to 54 million individuals worldwide, according to German cybersecurity research firm KonBriefing. The Russian-speaking Clop group targeted a zero-day flaw in MOVEit servers worldwide that allowed it to steal all data stored on the server. Clop unleashed its